Hi everybody, my name is Elisa Shapiro and I will be your instructor for Managerial Accounting this summer session at RVCC. I'm looking forward to a great semester with all of you, and I thought it'd be helpful if I put together a quick screencast just to show you how to get into the course and how to navigate a little bit to get started. So to begin, I'm at our Lion's Den homepage, which as you see up here is the site you can type into your browser. It will bring you to the Lion's Den home page, and under username you'll type your G number, your password. I lost my G number, hang on, and password. And then you'll log in. It will bring you to your home page in Lion's Den, which yours will look a little different than mine as I'm an instructor. But if you scroll down, you should all have this Canvas portal. Okay, if you just click on it, it will take you to our LMS, which is Canvas. This sunburst is the icon you need to click to enter Canvas again. So a couple steps to get in there, but once you're in. Once you do that, you will be at your Canvas dashboard, which has these cards for every class you may be enrolled in. If it's just one, all you'll see is Managerial Accounting. Here's my one of my Managerial Accounting courses. So this is what you will see on your dashboard. Mind you, the first time you enter Canvas, I'm not certain, but I think they may ask for your credentials one more time. So that would be your G number and your password. All right, so once you're on the dashboard, you're going to click on the card to open it. The first thing you'll see is my home page, which is a welcome page. It tells you a little bit about the course and some of my expectations, or a little bit on how to navigate. After reading this, you're going to see that the first thing I tell you to do is to go to modules. So over here on your left-hand side, all these dark gray words you will see in your version of Canvas. Modules are really the compartments by which you will navigate the course. All right. So as you can see here, we're going to go down to, or start with the first one. Take the modules in order. So let's look at Getting Started. That is the first one. If you open Getting Started, click on the little triangle, it will tell you everything that's in there. All right. So when we click on this page, everything is here for you to help you get started. All right. So if you read through this, you'll find that this link is the syllabus for the class, and I recommend reading it and printing it out. This link is a calendar that you can also print out and have available for you. I also mentioned here about our discussion boards, which are very important and an important part of your final grade as well, how to handle them, and some of the posting instructions, which you can find in your syllabus. I have on this link here, if you click on it, buy the book. This will give you options for your book purchase. This is the buy the book, so there's several options in here. You can look at that. What's absolutely mandatory is the purchase of the access code. Without the access code to Cengage, you won't be able to complete the assignments or the exams, so please review those closely. Any questions, get in touch with me. Also, in Getting Started, one of your first graded assignments will be posting to your introduction discussion. If you click on this, it'll take you to the discussion board and give you an idea of what you need to write about. And as you see, your intro discussion will be due on 7/12. All right, so that's your Getting Started module. If we close that up, I will just point out that down here, the next module are your student resources. So by all means, handle the modules in order. Again, student resources just provide for you some additional materials in Cengage to help you review, prepare, study. If I open it up quickly, you'll see there's a technical support number as well. If you have any technical difficulties getting into the site, I urge you to call them. Those are usually things I can't help with, but they can. You'll have an ebook and some study tools available to you, so take some time to review those. As you come down here, we begin our chapter modules. Our first chapter in Managerial Accounting is Statement of Cash Flows, which many of you probably realize is a financial accounting course, and maybe you've had it, But here at RVCC, we begin managerial with 2 financial accounting chapters. So we'll do the same here. So your first 2 chapters will be statement of cash flows and financial statement analysis. But they are all handled the same, so we'll just look at chapter 13. The first thing in the module is a wiki page, and if you click on it, you really can navigate your responsibilities through this wiki page. There'll be a quick introduction. You'll read through the list of instructions I've included. I have links for any graded assignments you may have, such as your homework and your discussion boards, and then down below I've included materials. Please note that the quizzes, whether it says practice or not, a true or false, multiple choice, those are optional. They are for your practice. They won't count towards your grade, but I've included them so that you can practice. All right. We have, just to show you how it works, if you click on the homework link, it will take you to this page with a button. When you click on that, the first time you do so, you'll have to enter your Cengage access code. Once you do, you'll be admitted to Cengage and you can complete your assignments this way. You'll only have to access one sign-on, and that's to Canvas, and everything else will have a button, so you can complete your assignments that way. Right, so there is no registration code for the class. You'll access Cengage through Canvas. Other than that, you'll also have the same thing once you open this module. For exam 1, there'll be a button. It will take you to Cengage as well. And then you will have throughout a few research forums. When you open it, it'll give you the instructions of what you need to post in order to receive full credit. Right? And that's pretty consistent throughout the whole course. This module page is really where you're going to get a lot of your work done. The only other thing I'd like to point out is that you have over here to the far left a calendar which shows you, it's a visual grid. So a lot of students like this. It shows you the due dates, the assignments, and everything is dropped into the date they're due. So you can access this also for your resources. One more thing before I let you go is the inbox. Here is your email. I email a lot, I post announcements a lot, and I am active on the discussion boards. I will be on every day. So if you need to reach out to me, if you need help with anything, please do so. I will get back to you pretty quickly. That is it for now. I look forward to getting to know everyone better on Monday and to having a great course. So have a great weekend, and I'll meet you all on Monday. Bye-bye.